Sipping till it's empty. Bitch, I'm out the action. Fuck your bitch, don't want her back. Had to switch my lane, get sneaky just like rap.
Hey y'all, my hair is looking crazy because I just washed it yesterday, and I didn't put it in a style for real, so it's looking crazy. So I'm gonna try to do like some twists on my hair, like basically I'm going for the passion twist look, but on my real hair. So let's just see if it come out right, cause I just be experimenting with stuff. I don't be knowing what I'm doing for real. So yeah, Piper, Piper.
That's the life of having a cat. They always into stuff. I don't know what I was trying to say. But yeah, so what I'm trying to do, I already told y'all what I'm trying to do, but this is what you're gonna need. Some rubber bands. You're gonna need whatever oil you put in your hair. A comb to part. Whatever comb you use to part. I have this, but I'm gonna use something else too. And some gel and whatever leave-in conditioner you use. I'm about to use this leave-in conditioner from this black-owned business, Celestial Curl Care. You can shop on Instagram. Well, you can follow their Instagram page. I'm pretty sure there's a website, but yeah. I'm kind of salty because I got the curl put in for this as well. It's like a gel. But that's at my boyfriend's house, so I'm gonna have to use a different gel. So yeah, I'm just gonna use my trustworthy Eco Styler gel, and that's what is fixing to happen. It's about to happen. It's finna happen. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Honestly, the hardest thing for me about doing my own hair is parting my own hair, especially when my hair is in its thickest natural states, cause baby, them parts really hard. So I have parted the back off camera. It's not the straightest, but it's straight enough. So whatever, cause I'm not gonna keep playing with it. I'm using this edge control, but I'm not using a lot of it because I don't want my hair to turn white, and this make my hair turn white, so I don't want to use too much of it. So yeah, I'm gonna probably do 3. No, I don't want them that small. I'm trying to see how big or how small I want. Yeah, I could do 3. So yeah, let me see what size that is. That's kind of small. Do I want it that small? It don't matter. It's gonna whatever. I told y'all when I do my own hair, I just be winking it. I don't know what I'm doing for real. So y'all just coming with me for this ride. I never did this before on my hair, so I thought let me make a video just in case it comes out cute. So yeah, this leave-in conditioner is a spray-in leave-in conditioner. And it smells good. And I'm just using gel, so I know that the stuff will stay longer. It'll stay looking neater longer. So because I'm using these rubber bands, I'm going to put them in oil, because that helps with rubber bands not pulling out your hair. If you know, you know. But yeah. So what I did, I just put some drops of oil on the counter and dropped some rubber bands in it. And then I'm going to take one. See, it got oil on it. And I'm going to take it and put it on this. And I ain't gonna wrap it that much because I don't want it too tight. So yeah, we got that brush. And then we're going to twist. All the way to the end. Like that. Boom. I think it's gonna come out cute, y'all. Put some gel on the end. I think I'm gonna put rubber bands on the end so I know that the twist don't unravel though. I usually don't put rubber bands on the ends of my hair, but in this case I will. Dang. I messed up. Oh, okay. It's kind of hard because it's got that oil on it, slippery. But yeah, I'm finna do this to my whole head, and we gonna see how it come out. But I just wanted to show y'all what I'm doing, so y'all get the idea of how it's gonna go. So now I'm gonna speed it up, cause yeah, no need for this video to be super duper long. So we got the first row done. And I like what it's giving, so I'm gonna do my whole head. Yeah, I came to show y'all the part for the next row. And you're just gonna put however many twists fit. Sometimes, like on TikTok, people will ask me how many, and I don't like to answer that question because my mama always told me it's bad luck to count your hair, so I don't do that. I try not to. However, if it's a situation where I know, like, say I got some dreads, and y'all know, like, it's a certain amount of dreads that come in a pack, then I'll just do the math and say, like, I use 3 packs. I'll be like, okay, well, this is the amount of dreads that is in my head, so then that'll give people an idea. But other than that, I'm not finna sit and individually count nothing in my head, so, yeah, that's that. But, yeah, this is the row, and I'm finna part, speed it up, same thing that I did, part, get some gel, some leave-in, rubber band, twist, rubber band, and that's the process, period. Round number 2 is complete, so I'm gonna finish the back and then I'm gonna come back.
Alright, y'all. The back is done. What it's given. What is given? I think it's given. So, on to the next.
Okay, so I'm not gonna do a middle part. It's gonna be more like a side part, so the twist gonna go this way. But I'm trying to show y'all what I started doing. I started doing triangle parts in the front, so it looks more fuller. Of course, these 2 square because those are the first ones I did, but they all gonna flip that way. And yeah, so show y'all what it's giving. I'm finna finish off camera and come back when I'm completely done so y'all can see the finished look. Okay, y'all, so here's the finished look. I told y'all I was giving side part. Let me show y'all what I did. So, in the middle here, it's 2 squares and 2 triangles because I thought that would make it look fuller. And then the 2 rows is triangles, and then the first row on the sides is squares. But everything in the back is squares. So, yeah. I don't know how many parts in my hair, so don't ask it. I told y'all I don't count. I just go and do and see. But yes, I think this is super, super cute. Like, you can wear it in multiple styles. Like, I'm giving y'all the side. It's giving like a bob, like a short passion twist bob. And that's what I thought it was going to give. So, yes, it's giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. But, yeah. So, this is cute. You could wear it in different styles. Like, you could put it up. So, like a half up. Hold on. Let me put that piece back down. So, like a half up, half down type style. You could put it in a bun. You know, whatever. But I'm wearing mine down like this since it's fresh and it looks cute. Show y'all the juiciness. Y'all see that bounce? Y'all see that? So, yeah. Comment some more protective styles that y'all want me to do. Show y'all that shrinkage. Y'all see that shrinkage is... Whew, that shrinkage is something else. But whatever. That's it for the video. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share all that good stuff. Follow me on TikTok. Yeah, follow me on TikTok because if you don't, you're going to wish you did. Love y'all. Bye-bye.